Yes, children. Which is the third largest ocean? Indian Ocean. The first largest is Pacific, next largest is Atlantic, third largest is Indian Ocean. So how Pacific Ocean cover, which actually has 31% of water, Atlantic Ocean has 21% of water, Indian Ocean has 14.4% of water. And this is the ocean which has got its name, that is based on one country. This is the ocean which has got its name based on one country, particularly that is, as it is very near to India, it is called Indian Ocean. Of course other countries are also there very near to this ocean, but this ocean actually named because of our country, that is India, and it is Indian Ocean. Now coming to the other points, how the Pacific Ocean is in a triangle shape, Atlantic Ocean is a S shape, and even Indian Ocean is also irregular triangle shape. It is also in irregular triangle shape, but very near to India it is in M shape. Okay. Now coming to the, see the map here. This is Indian Ocean. Observe here. And how you find some seas in the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. You can find some seas in the Indian Ocean also. See, Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. Bay of Bengal is a part of Indian Ocean. Red Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. Gulf of Oman is a part of Indian Ocean. So in this way, in the north it connects India, and it comes down and reach and share the water with the Southern Ocean. And in the east you can find Asian countries as well as Australia completely, and in the west you can find Africa. So in this way you can see the border of Indian Ocean. And finally, one more important thing you have to remember regarding Indian Ocean. So major oil exporting countries, that means more and more oil resource you can find very near to this Indian Ocean. That means all the countries in this peninsula, for example this Arabian Peninsula, see here, in Arabian Peninsula you can find OPEC countries, that is oil and petroleum exporting countries like Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait, all these countries you can find in Arabian Peninsula. In that way Indian Ocean is very important base for oil resource. So that is about Indian Ocean. Now coming to the fourth one, Southern Ocean. What is the other name of Southern Ocean? That is Atlantic Ocean. Sorry, Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. So it covers nearly 8% of water, which actually it has 4% of water, and this is the fourth largest ocean. Actually this ocean was not there till 2000. That means in 2000 International Hydrographic Organization announced the another important ocean, that is Antarctic Ocean. That means up to 2000 only 4 oceans there. Those are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian and Arctic Ocean. But the Southern Ocean was newly created. The ocean, the water bodies which completely surround Antarctica, that water body is called Southern Ocean. When it was happened, that is 2000. So from 2000 only you can find 5 oceans. Before 2000 there were no 5 oceans. So this is about Antarctic Ocean. Finally, some seas you can find very near to this Antarctic Ocean. See some seas. I will show you some seas. Like this is Weddell Sea. Observe here. Scotia Sea, Amundsen Sea, Weddell Sea, Scotia Sea. All these are the seas which you can find in the Southern Ocean. Now coming to the Arctic Ocean. Last one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean covers nearly 2.8% of water. How much water? 2.8% of water. And this is the smallest ocean which you can find among all the oceans. And it is completely very near to North Pole and also Arctic Circle, and it is bordered by some countries see here, that is Greenland, Iceland, even United Kingdom and Norway, Sweden and some parts of Russia. So this all water body what you can find in case of Arctic Ocean. How you find some seas in the other oceans? In Arctic Ocean also you can find some seas here. Norwegian Sea, Barents Sea, Kara Sea, Laptev Sea. All these are the parts of Arctic Ocean. And one interesting and important point what we have to remember regarding Arctic Ocean is the water which you can see in Arctic Ocean. Most of the months that water actually frozen because of a cool climate in Arctic Ocean, very near to Arctic Ocean. Most of the water is completely frozen. That you have to remember regarding Arctic Ocean. Thank you.